Hey, I'm Nick King, agrigold agronomist here in southern Illinois, standing in a field of corn in our southeast region that was planted on April 15th. As you can see, we're starting pollination. The tassels are out, silks have come out now of the husk. We're ready to go. Pollen is falling. I am pretty dirty today. There's 4 hurdles that I think we need to take account of as we move through pollination to get adequate yields in this really drought-stressed year of 2023. First one would be tassel development and silk elongation. So the tassel obviously is out, the silks are out, but how much pollen do we have? That's the first hurdle. We've had a lot of drought stress here in the last month. How is that going to affect pollen production out of that tassel? How did that affect silk elongation out of the husk? Obviously, more silks out is more surface area for pollen to hit, easier to fertilize. I am seeing some differences out in this field immediately. It doesn't mean that this is where the silks will end, but some of these ears are pollinated, so I do anticipate that some of these silks are going to be shortened just from the drought stress. Second hurdle we've got is strictly that pollen falling to the silk. There are temperatures that get too hot for pollen that can actually sterilize that piece and keep it from adequately fertilizing these kernels on this ear. That's our second hurdle. Third hurdle, after we've got pollination, we've got fertilization, and these kernels start to detach from those silks. Then we've got to worry about the drought stress and how it affects tip back or abortion of kernels on that ear. So that'll be a note we want to make going forward through that. And then the fourth hurdle that we've got is after we've got pollination, fertilization, potential tip back or abortion of those kernels, what's left on that ear, how well does it fill out with the drought stress, water and nutrient availability that we have today? Those will be the 4 hurdles I think we've got going through pollination in 2023.